Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser available, each with its own characteristics, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Gentle Face Cleanser Daily Face Wash with Hyaluronic Acid, ceramides, and glycerin to help hydrate skin without stripping moisture. Removes face makeup, dirt, and excess oil. Provides 24-hour hydration, and leaves a moisturized, non-greasy feel. Non-foaming cleanser moisturizing face wash with a lotion-like consistency. Feels smooth as it cleanses, even on sensitive, dry skin. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, non-comedogenic, and non-drying. Certified by the National Eczema Association. Multi-use skincare skin cleanser for face and/or body and can be used as a hand wash. Suitable for the daily cleansing morning, AM, and night, PM, for normal to dry skin. 3 essential ceramides. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products are formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, to help maintain the skin's natural barrier. Developed with dermatologists and #1 dermatologist recommended skincare brand. CeraVe Skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone, and more. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.